Saddle up to the revision party and bring your favorite writer. Today, I want to launch a revision party, and you'll suggest that writers invite their favorite author as an honored guest. Writers, last night I was watching an old Western movie with cowboys. At one point in the movie, the cowboys were going to a party. The cowboys kept saying, "Saddle up, partner. It's time to get to that party." I love that expression. It's time for us to saddle up and get to a party, writers. It's time to saddle up for a revision party. As fiction writers, I know we always keep in mind our spelling strategies and other revision strategies in past writing units. Writers, I want to give this a try. Right now, I want you to think about some books we have read together and come up with some ideas to add to your writing. For example, give a lot of details for new characters. Add special details to the pictures. Make a pattern. He worried about, he worried that, mostly he worried. After looking back at some series books, this is what I see what the authors included. Describe the setting, place, weather, season, time of day. Make the action exciting. Give lots of details for new characters. Add special details to the pictures. Add pop-out words. Show characters strong feelings in pictures. Repeat action in pictures and words. I'm going to ask you, if you get stuck with revision ideas, to go back into books that you have read. Look at some things of your favorite authors included in your books. If those ideas make you excited, you could add them to your own story. While you are gathering these ideas and finding things you are noticing to plan for your own writing, be proud of yourself because you're teaching yourself, or your favorite author is teaching you too. Off you go. While you're going through your writing pieces today, read to someone in your family and make note where you think you can add to your story. And don't forget to use your favorite books and authors to help you make the best revisions for your story.